Doctors in my ears, I'm scared and now my mind's going crazy. God, what's going on? What's going on? Father, I see the light is on. The grim reaper is asleep, but got his hands on all your people. Already know that there's something wrong. We chase the light, we're holding on. Father, someone's on the phone. And it's doctors in my ears, I'm scared and now my mind. What's going on? Yeah, what's going on?
This is an emergency.
And he says, maybe you should sit down for this. You should sit down, we have your family here. Maybe you should sit down. But I don't want to sit down for this. I'm not prepared. What's going on? Take it, heart is palpitating. Try to tell myself I know you're in control. Try to tell myself I know you got me close. And my family in your hands, but I'm only just a man and I break down. Father, can you change it? Father, can you take my broken pieces, make a way, oh God? Can you make a way if it's your will? Now I'm about to take this 9 to 5 and make it real. So real, so real. Father, I can't take it. Can you change the way this happened? Well, I know you came for the wheel, you turn it around. I'm on my cell phone now. Doctors saying sit down for this. You should sit down, we have your family here. Maybe